Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of IPL Special with the team Cricket Punch. And today we are going to discuss a very fantastic team out of 8 franchises of the IPL 2021. The team which suddenly given rise and suddenly came top of the order and suddenly came at the top in the points table in the IPL after the inclusion of many youngsters. Yes, I am talking about Delhi Capitals. Now we should have a look at the squad of Delhi Capitals in this year's IPL 2021. They have retained Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Ajinkya Rahane, Shimron Hetmeyer, and they have brought Steve Smith in their side. Likes of Marcus Stoinis, they also have Lalit Yadav, Akshar Patel, inclusion of Ravichandran Ashwin, Chris Wokes, Tom Curran, Rishabh Pant and Vinod. In addition with Sam Billings, Harshal Patel, Amit Mishra, Ishant Sharma and KG Rabada with help of Andre Nokia of the South Africa. They are looking really solid this season. Now we should discuss what can be the best 11 for Delhi Capitals in the ongoing season. Who they should bring in and who they should left out. Yeah, in the top of the order, they should go with the typical pair of Prithvi Shaw and Shikhar Dhawan at the top of the order. Both are explosive openers and both of them will give them a flow of runs at the top of the order and will take the game away from the opposition in just the 6 overs. Yeah, the number 3 is going to be the biggest debate for Delhi Capitals this season. Likes of Steve Smith and Ajinkya Rahane are in the race to fill the place of number 3. Who will come at number 3? That will decided later by the management of Delhi Capitals, but Ajinkya Rahane is the strongest contender to bat at number 3. At number 4, their captain Rishabh Pant will come into play, and at 5, Marcus Stoinis and then Shimron Hetmeyer, and then the pace battery KG Rabada, Nortje and Ravi Ashwin and Akshar Patel, and then the Ishant Sharma. Looking at the strengths of the Delhi Capitals in the current season of IPL 2021, we see a lot of options of the Indian and local players that occupies the shoes and fills the shoes of big names, likes of Steve Smith, likes of many others. They don't even have to look at the foreign battery to fill the shoes like of them. When you have so much options of your local talent and your local players in your side, I am afraid that you will even think about the negativities of your squad. And Delhi Capitals really done a great job in overcoming their difficulties this season. Now the most important point of that session and that video. Who is going to be the X factor of the team? Who is going to be the X factor of the squad? Yeah, the man who performed in the pressure situations really well in the recent time. Yes, Rishabh Pant, guys. Rishabh Pant, who have batted in Gaba and batted freely, who have batted in white ball series against England and batted freely. And I am sure in the grounds of India, once again in the pressure situations of captaincy and of giving runs and giving team crucial runs in the middle overs, he is going to perform. The kind of balance Delhi Capitals have in the IPL 2021, I am sure if they wins their first 4 games in a row and with great margins, they are going to finish in top 2.